Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your main Google account. Once done, open YouTube Studio. Click your profile icon, then Settings. This is where channel permissions live. Make sure the channel you want to connect is a brand account if you plan to add managers. Next, choose Manage Permissions, click Invite, and enter the secondary account email. You do this now because invitations ensure ownership transfer or manager access without changing primary credentials. Once invitations are sent, the invited account must accept from the exact Google address you used. Explain this to collaborators. Choose the appropriate role. Owner gives full control, manager handles content and uploads, because roles determine next steps for monetization or settings. After acceptance, revisit settings to confirm the new role. Make sure to refresh the page and clear cache if the change doesn't show. If transferring primary ownership, note there may be a waiting period before you can transfer again. Now finalize by testing permissions. Have the other account upload a short draft or change channel info. This proves access works. If things go wrong, first resend the invitation and check the invited emails spam folder, often the issue. Make sure both people are signed into the correct Google accounts when accepting. If problems persist after 24 to 48 hours, gather screenshots of errors, then contact Google support. This saves time and lets them resolve ownership or permission conflicts more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.